it's Mio here, and today I have a unicorn crafting tutorial for you. As you can see, this project is made from polymer clay and UV resin. These unicorn charms kind of look like sugar cookies to me, so I'm calling them pretty much sugar cookie unicorn charms, and they are created using the Elves box by Sophie and Toffee. When I first saw these charms, I thought they were absolutely adorable and I just couldn't wait to get it, so I actually purchased the box so that I could create these charms here. And the nice thing about these charms is if you wanted to create them as a charm to hang on your bag or as a necklace or just to give to a friend, you can actually insert an eyelet to create it. So I'm going to show you how I use the box to create these charms. So for simplicity, I actually used the Elves box that I believe was released in December and January. It comes with everything you need to make this and a few more extra goodies, and I only used maybe half of the stuff in the actual box. So I started by pretty much conditioning the clay that came in the box, and I rolled it out into a circle and flattened it into a pancake. I wanted about 3 to 4 millimeters thick before I used the cookie cutter to cut out my unicorn cookie. The clay that comes in the box is very soft, so just be very gentle not to bend it into weird shapes. And I'm using an old paintbrush here to pretty much texturize the little cookie so it looks more realistic. And using some chalk pastels, I dipped it into yellow, brown, and red to help color the cookie to make it look more realistic. Now, I made several of these cookies. I made a few other ones like some flowers and hearts and baked them in the oven for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And you'll pretty much have cookies that are non-edible and ready to be decorated. So with a pencil, I kind of outlined all the stuff that I'm going to color in, and in the box it comes with some white, pink, and black frosting. I'm going to start off with the white frosting, which is really just white UV resin. Just squeeze the UV resin into the areas you want to shade in, and you can place this under a UV lamp and cure it for about a minute. Now the kit also comes with pink, and this UV resin is a little more thick than the white one, so you might want to dilute it and mix it into the white a little bit so it's easier to spread. And just make sure you color in the main whatever colors you want. I picked the rainbow theme because I always think of rainbows with unicorns. And of course it doesn't come with all the colors of the rainbow, but you can mix the white with a little bit of different colored paints to create the color UV resin that you want. And I went ahead and shaded my other charms, so my flowers and my hearts, went ahead and shaded them in and put them under a UV lamp. And of course the kit comes with some black UV resin so you can draw in some nice faces onto your little charms, into whatever it is that you want your charms to have. So that's pretty much how I created these really adorable, very simple, very easy sugar cookie unicorn charms. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys wanted to purchase the materials to create these on your own, I'll provide a link to Sophie and Toffee in the info bar, and I hope you found this video very useful. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. For more like these, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. And do check out my other social media websites such as Instagram and Twitter, where I post a little more frequently about the projects that I have going on in my life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye!